y'all, what's going on? It's your girl Deborah. I'm here today to bring to you how to strengthen your hair after you've been sick with a viral infection. That's right, I've been sick for 7 days, drinking me some hot lemon honey water here just to try to keep my voice under control. But I'm on the end of it. But I wanted to come on here because I was bedridden the whole 7 days, for 7 days, and not doing anything to my hair. Had my silk hair bonnet on, and that was all that it wrote. A couple of times I did put some smoothing cream on it to try to keep it soft and keep it from completely shedding and doing all that crazy stuff. But you do know when you get sick, your hair gets sick as well. So what we're going to do today is strengthen this hair from being me being sick with a virus for 7 days and not being able to comb my hair, detangle, not being able to do anything but just relax. So the first thing that I want to grab is my Olaplex #1. I have it in a spray bottle here. What you want to do is strengthen your hair, okay? Because the hair is weak, because you've been sick, you've been weak, so you want to strengthen the hair. So basically, you just start spraying from the roots, from the ends to the roots, make sure you get it completely throughout the hair by opening the hair up. This is very important that you distribute it, make sure it's distributed all the way through. And that's what I'm going to do. This is step #1. And I usually do this anyway, every 4 to 6 weeks, just to keep my hair, strengthened, healthy, and happy. Okay, so I have it on there. You don't have to use a whole lot, but you definitely want to distribute it completely through. And you guys probably can't get #1, but you can get 0. 0 does just the same. That's the one that's for the public. It does just the same thing. This is just #1 is just the professional strength for professionals. And so basically you leave this treatment on here for 10 minutes and you just let it set. And so while it's sitting, I'm going to go ahead and go through my hair and detangle it. Okay. So it's a good time to detangle. Now, I did do a little steam on it because it was very compact and I did not want to, lose more hair than I need to. So I did steam it a little bit just to be able to get in there. And this is how I detangle my hair. See this right here? You got to be very gentle when you detangling it because you don't want to rip through it. Because what is happening after all that laying down, the curls is definitely connected to one another. So you just want to be gentle when you're going in here. Excuse me. Yeah, when you're going in here. So that's kind of how you do it. Be very careful, detangling your hair. Because basically all I'm doing is separating the hair from one another. Because when you have curly hair like this, it tends to entangle back on each other. So just be real gentle with it when you're detangling it. And like I said, it does have some previous product in it. I put some smoothing enhancing cream on it from Shea Moisture so that it wouldn't just be so dry on me. I'm really impressed. The shed level is very low. I don't see too much shed level, just a little bit, which is incredible. But anyway, 10 minutes. That's how long that's going to sit. And I'll come back. Okay, so now that has sat on there for 10 minutes, it's time to put on #3. I have a little bit in a little retail bottle. The bigger one is the salon size. So that's what I'm gonna use. Put it all in my hand. Start from my scalp, root all the way down, opening up the hair. And I'm not using all of it. It's like that's all I really needed. I just actually opened up the hair like I told you. And because it's very concentrated, so don't use a whole lot, you know, rubbing it through the ends. So it's completely distributed through. I suggest you section it in 4 just to make it easy for you. But since I do hair, I'm accustomed to knowing how to distribute all the product throughout. I do section in 4, but you know, when you do your own hair, sometimes you don't do all that. So yeah, but it's completely covered. This is a 10-minute treatment. Number 1 was a 10-minute, or if you're using 0 for that they sell for retail, if you're not a professional. Both treatments is 10 minutes. And when I tell you, this will strengthen your hair if you do it every 4 to 6 weeks. Forgive my glasses, because baby, it got everything on it. My glasses is like, but anyway, you know, as you see, you're seeing some shed hair. That's going to be normal because, like I said, you know, coming from being sick, not being able to comb or detangle my hair, you know, I'm expecting some shed. How much shed? I'm not sure. But this is all knotty right here. But I'm not going to force it. I'm not going to try to force it out. I'm going to let that product sit. And then I'm going to get some conditioner and just kind of work it out slow. And hope I don't have a casualty, meaning that I have to cut it. If I have to cut it, I have to cut it. Because I am expecting some hair loss from this viral infection. But at the end of the day, I'm on my way of recovery. So yeah, don't be alarmed if you're recovering from being sick and you're going to have some hair loss. Just go ahead and treat the hair, you know, start back working on getting yourself well. Make sure you eat enough protein, you know, not necessarily meat, lots of vegetables, you know, to start back rebuilding the body from the inside. Of course, I'm working on my hair. That was a little shed hair there. I'm working on my hair. But to restore your body from the inside, you want to make sure you're taking your supplements, especially, you know, hopefully you have a multivitamin that has the vitamin C, vitamin D, all the necessary vitamins that you need to recover. But also when it comes to your food, make sure you're getting enough protein, like boiled eggs. You can have peanut butter. You can have all the vegetables. They also will help you come back on the mend. And also make sure you drink plenty of water, hydrate yourself. That's one thing that I did do while I was sick. I drank a lot of water. And in my face, I don't know, it got oily and broke out. It was whatever this virus was, it was terrible. So I'll be back. Let this sit for 10 minutes and then I'll get into the shampooing. All right, girls. All right, the hair is properly shampooed, conditioned. I gave my hair the luxurious shampoo condition. Y'all know my favorite product, the Curly Magic. Put it on my hair while it was soaking wet. And I just went through the entire head with my little Curly Magic, just a couple of pumps, just to make sure to get it all throughout the hair. I just love this stuff. Oh boy, I feel like a new woman. I tell you, take care of yourself after you coming out of that virus. Very important. And you take for granted sometimes just shampooing your hair. Oh my goodness, it feels so good. So now I'm going to cocktail it with my leave-in conditioner. If I can get it out. New bottle, you know how that is. Just want to, I always follow up with a leave-in conditioner. And then you can put gel, you can put whatever else you want to put on there as far as locking your curls in. You can put gel on there or you can do some jelly. I usually put a little jelly on there. But yeah, my hair feels very strong. Very strong. My hair probably is very happy. I know that I'm very happy. And you remember how tangly it was? It's definitely not tangly anymore. When I tell you, I just put the luxurious steam. I didn't lose that much hair. There's still a little tangles going on in here, but I'm going to gently work them babies out, okay? Gently. But yeah, this is my, after coming out of the virus, hair care luxurious treatment. Give your hair the luxury, baby, it deserves. So I'll be back. I'm going to sit under the dryer and clean up my part and all that kind of stuff.